Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we can create automatic replies in Outlook. For that, you would need to go to View Settings, Account, Automatic Replies, and turn on Automatic Replies. Once you turn this on, you have to check this option as well and select the dates that you will be taking holiday. For me, it's going to be 24th of December, it's starting 8 a.m. till 6th of January 2025, and again 8 a.m. in the morning. You can explore these options right here. The top one is to block my calendar for this period. You can do this if you would want to block your calendar for the entire period so no one can book you in. Another convenient thing of setting the automatic replies on is that if anyone sends you a Teams meeting, they are going to get an automatic message saying that you are out of office. And if it is supposed to be a one-on-one meeting, they would cancel it and book it upon your return. But it's again a good idea to block your calendar so no one books you in. The second one is automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period. And the third is decline and cancel my meetings during this period. You don't really need to select any of these once you put the automatic replies on because people are going to receive your message and they will act upon it accordingly. Now let's go ahead and add our automatic response. Because this is not going live, I'm just going to write a short message as a demo. Hi, I am out of office from 24th December to 6th of Jan 2025. If there is anything urgent, please email my manager at the name at byteboardroom.com. And once you review your message, you can go ahead and save it. So as soon as you save your option, um, it's going to, so from tomorrow, 24th, 8 a.m., everyone that sends you an email is going to receive an automatic response saying that you are not working for this period. So this is a very useful tool of Outlook. Thank you so much for watching, and I will keep on uploading new videos on Outlook tips and tricks. Thank you for your time.